Maddie. Today I am taking over Redox Real Talk, and I'm so excited because today I am going to be doing one of our really yummy recipes that we have. You can find this recipe on learn.aseaglobal.com and just go to our blogs. We have so many good and yummy recipes on there, but today I am going to be doing our ASEA Mood booster tea. So what it is just a chamomile tea with a little bit of lemon, honey, and then of course our ASEA Mood. This is honestly probably one of my favorite recipes that we have on. It's so refreshing and I love it before bed. So all you're gonna need to do is get some boiling water and some chamomile tea. So I went ahead and did that so you guys didn't have to watch me boil some tea or anything. So I already took mine and I'm actually gonna take my tea out now. And I am going to take half a lemon and squeeze that in there. This is seriously so yummy. I don't know if you guys have tried ASEA Mood yet, but it is so delicious. And then the recipe calls for 1.5 tablespoons of honey. I'm honestly just gonna eyeball it. I like my drinks a little bit more sweet. So this is always gonna be to your guys' preference. Of course, you can always change up the recipes a little bit. I love honey. And then you're gonna take your ASEA Mood packet, which I believe it's passion fruit pineapple flavor. The flavors are so good. This one and Radiance are definitely my favorite flavors. So I'm just gonna put that in. And it honestly dissolves really easily. So it's never like, I guess like chunky or anything. But it comes out to like this gorgeous yellow color and I love it. Kind of matches my outfit today. Give it a little taste. It's so good. It's honestly a little bit sweeter because I put a little extra honey in it, but I personally love that. But I think it would be super fun. I am going to give you guys one winner away a packet of Mood. All you guys have to do is go to the post before this and try out this tea. I think it's really yummy and see how it feels for you guys. So go to the last post. I have the exact recipe on there. And all you have to do is try the tea out and tell us what you think of it. If you've already tried it out, tell us what you thought. And we will see you guys next week. This was super short, super sweet. We tried out the ASEA Mood Booster Tea. I really suggest you guys trying it out as it's super yummy. And also, if you guys want to see more recipes, I think this would be a super fun thing to keep going. We have so many recipes on our website, on our blog page. So check those out and see what you guys think. Okay, see you guys next week.